Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to disconnect our Bluetooth device from Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. To disconnect our device from Bluetooth, we simply need to go to Settings, Connections. As you can see, we have our JBL Charge 4 here, and we can go to this little cog options here, and we have disconnect or unpair. If we disconnect, our device will still be visible in our device list. But to disconnect it permanently, we use unpair, and now our JBL is disconnected for good. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.